Hi friends, let's learn about has, have and had today. Had is the past simple form and we use had when some action already done or we completed some action in past. To represent that action we use had. Has and had we use in present simple, and we use if the action is repeating itself, the repeated actions, and we use for things which are permanent or things which you cannot change, that never changes. Okay, with those things we use has or have. Yeah, so for the negative, for had we use did not and then did not plus have, and with has and have to make it negative we use do not plus have in case of when there is I, we, they or any plural, or with singular noun or he, she, it, we use has. Then to make has negative we will use does not plus, instead of has we will use have. Let's see some example, then you will have a clear idea. I blank two brothers. This is the condition you cannot change. What will you use? You will use have. I have two brothers. You cannot change this. Okay. Rita blank beautiful eyes. This is also permanent condition. She has beautiful eyes. This is also a permanent condition. He blank tea with cookies every morning. He, this is repeated action, like every day he does that, so we will use has. He blank not blank a cat. What will we use? He. Here he, so with he, she, it or any singular noun we use has, right? And to make this in this condition, to make any sentence negative we use does not. So he does not have a cat. Okay, so remember, it's not he does not has a cat. That is wrong. You will say he does not have a cat. I blank not blank a motorbike. Okay, so I do not have a motorbike. So as I said, with I, we, they or any plural noun we use do not plus have. Okay, and because the not is present in the sentence, we know this is negative sentence, so we will use do or does based on the subject. So here the subject is singular. She blank not blank an exam tomorrow. She does not have an exam tomorrow. He blank meeting yesterday. It is past, so we will use the past simple form. So the past simple is had. So he had meeting yesterday. They blank a wonderful weekend. It's already happened in the past. Okay, so they had. He blank not blank a phone last year. Okay, so now last year, this is past, and how we make a negative sentence in past? Did not plus have. So we will change had to have and we will use the past form of verb do. Okay, so he did not have a phone last year. So how will you recognize these sentences in past? Because they are talking about the past time. I blank not blank a book here. I do not have a book here. We blank not blank a dog. We do not have a dog. They blank not blank a dog. They do not have a dog. Someone blank this book. Someone blank. So in this condition, when you see someone, somebody, something, okay, or anyone, anybody, anything, or everybody, or everything, or everyone, you will use has. These are considered as singular noun. Okay, so these words, when you see body, one thing, you use has. Someone has this book. Everyone blank this signed copy of book. So everyone has. Let's see the question form of these verbs. How will you use in question sentence? Okay, blank you blank any money left. So do, we use do because the subject is you. Do you have any money left? Blank he blank any money left. We will use does because with he, she, it or any singular noun we will use does with have any money left. Blank children blank a lot of fun in summer. Maybe in last summer. Okay, blank did children have a lot of fun last summer. So remember, with he, she, it, singular, everybody and everyone, we use has, or for interrogative sentence, we use does plus subject plus have, and for negative sentence, does plus not plus have, and with I, we, they, and plural subject, we use have, or for interrogative sentence, we use does plus subject plus have, and for negative sentence, does plus not plus have. Make it in past, we use with had, we use with I, we, they, you, he, singular, she, plural, and it. With everything, we use had in past. If you want to make it interrogative sentence, you will use did plus subject plus have, and for negative sentence, you use did plus not plus have. So these are the rules for has and have and had. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe it. Thank you.